Meta Platforms, Meta, Earnings Release Analysis. July 26, 2023 Post-Market. Please like, share and comment on this video. Appreciate your support. Disclaimer. This video is only for technical education purpose. Results does not promote or recommend any investment or trading action. Meta Platforms will be releasing their earnings report on July 26, 2023 after market close. This week, investors will focus on the Federal Reserve meeting and earnings from tech giants Microsoft, Meta Platforms, and Alphabet. I would be looking at how Meta has spent the money on Threads app. There were a very good sign up during the initial phase, but have this trend continue? I think we need to draw from Meta past project and implementation. They have spent significant amount of money on Metaverse. Same thing was very promising during the initial phase, but what happened at the end? The project was either closed down or shelved aside. Thread app when done properly could boost Meta ads revenue, so initial capital expenditure could be seen as a long-term investment. But I hope this project would continue and not burn money, which could mean job cuts. In this article, I will be looking at Meta's fundamental data and technical analysis to see how it has been doing. Meta Platform, Meta, Earnings Data. I believe analysts would be predicting how much advertisements revenue would Threads, Meta Platform's new app, take from Twitter. Some advertisers have looked at Threads as less contentious and more predictable compared to Twitter. But to take away the marketing budgets, I believe not in the near term. Hence, I would look out for Meta earnings from its various advertisements stream. The EPS might be beaten but by a small margins. EPS could be better than forecast, but what is the plan on the ROI for Threads app? I would look at the guidance on Meta plan to really monetize it, or rather the plan. Meta Platform, Meta, year-to-date earnings. No doubt Meta have a more than 100% growth return, but will this be eventually reduced due to some of the ongoing projects? For now, Meta looks pretty strong to be on the upside. Meta Platform, Meta, financial overview. Something we need to take note of is the revenue, profit, and eventually cash flow. We understand that there is a write-off for the Metaverse projects during the last quarter earnings. Will Meta revenue be able to catch up the loss? Or how long would be expected before we can see the free cash flow go back to December 22nd level? Meta Platform, Meta, sentiment analysis. Investors have been positive on Meta stocks and future. Investors have been increasing their holdings by 0.3%, last 7 days, and 1.7%, last 30 days. This shows that we can expect more buying of Meta shares in days leading up to its earnings release date on July 26, 2023. Technical analysis, simple moving averages, SMA. Meta have been enjoying a bull trend for almost 100 trading days, and it looks to be getting strong on an upward trend. But I would be more interested on what Meta has in its plan to continue this bullish trend or even go higher than current. Technical analysis, relative strength index, RSI. Meta is currently on a good momentum on RSI, and we can see that it is moving towards the oversold region. This would suggest that there might be some buying prior to its earnings release on July 26, 2023. Technical analysis, average directional index, ADX. ADX is above 40, which indicate a strong trend, but plus D above D by a very small margin, which suggests that this strong trend does not have a good strength. We might see very small price movement for Meta leading up to its earnings release. Technical analysis, Parabolic SAR. Something we might want to take note is SAR has shown that Meta might have a potential bearish reversal. This might happen if there is any not so positive factors on its earnings report. I would continue to monitor and hold any trade plan until July 26, 23. Summary. Based on the fundamental analysis, Meta has a strong YTD growth, but their free cash flow might be a concern if they are going to embark on any new project initiatives. Technical analysis has given a rather conflicting view, though we can see that price movement on SMA is gearing towards a bull trend. It might be important for us to take note that there might be a potential bearish reversal. This could be triggered by events before the earnings release, or the earnings release itself. I will monitor and see how it will trade on July 26 after hour and July 27 pre-market to see market reaction. Appreciate if you could share your thoughts in the comment section whether you think Alphabet would post a slightly better or worse earnings. Disclaimer. This video is only for technical education purpose. Results does not promote or recommend any investment or trading action. Please like, share and comment on this video. Appreciate your support.